Welcome. If you're looking to create a brand new Instagram account using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest update, making the process quick and easy for anyone, even if it's your very first time. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the Microsoft Store, search for Instagram, and install it. Once the app is open, you'll see a clean and simple interface designed for easy navigation. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled More. This will expand a list of additional actions you can take within the app. Next, if you've previously logged into Instagram on this device, you might see your account listed. In that case, click on Login to switch accounts or to continue with a different profile. But since we're creating a new account, look for the Sign Up option and click on it. You'll now be taken to the registration screen. Here, you'll need to fill in a few important details. Enter your email address or mobile number, your full name, a username of your choice, and a secure password. Take a moment to make sure your information is accurate and that your username is unique and memorable. Once you've filled out all the required fields, go ahead and click on Sign Up. Instagram may ask you to verify your email or phone number, so keep an eye out for a confirmation code in your inbox or messages. Enter the code to finish the process. That's it. You've successfully created a new Instagram account on your PC using the updated app. Now you can start exploring, posting photos, following friends, and enjoying everything Instagram has to offer, right from your computer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.